Let's unbox another phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy J7. It's not a flagship phone. It's nothing special. No, that's not my new phone. This is a friend's phone. I ordered this for him. And I've actually never unboxed a Samsung phone in my entire life. So, yeah. As I said, it's not a flagship. I didn't even know this existed. It's J7. Is there a J6 or a J8? I don't know. It's built in 2017 though, so it should be quite recent. And also, as like most phones today, it has quite nice specifications. It has a 64-bit octa-core processor, a freaking 8 cores. This has more cores than this PC right here. When you think about it, that's crazy. I mean, of course, it's got nowhere near the performance, but yeah. So he can brag. He can also brag with his 16 gigabytes of memory. Well, maybe not that. And a 13 megapixel camera, which sounds pretty promising. And a finger scanner. And it's even a dual SIM phone. So, yeah. Let's look into it. Now, you really loved my iPhone unboxing. It's like one of my most hated videos, probably because people think it's something useful. Anyway, this is nothing better here. European SIM card only. Well, because in America everything's different. Alright. What is this weird... Oh, okay. Seriously, come on. I don't want to get any knife or something like that. This is just too much work. Why can't you just... Ah, man. There we go. So, it slides out like that. Let's put that away. There's like something engraved here. Like a number, I don't know what that is. Hit deponere rapida. Okay. Well, you know what? We'll just leave that as it is. Alright. Now let's fold it up, and there is the Samsung Galaxy J7. Oh, you can't even see anything. Now, actually, I'm not making the unboxing so shitty on purpose. It's just that, you know, happens because I don't like doing this. Anyway. Why do you watch this? This is so freaking boring. Somebody just taking a device out of the box. That happens a million times per day. Anyway. Let's get that out of here. And of course, as every unboxer, let's put the phone away. And let's continue what we have here. Yes. We got a headphones. Still has a headphone jack. Oh my god, what an obsolete phone. Micro USB cable. A SIM card eject tool that when you buy it yourself costs you 20 bucks. Probably. No, after all, this is Samsung, not Apple, so $5. And a power charger. Yeah, there's nothing in this compartment, no. Just make a weird box here. But I think I've got a cable laying around. Maybe I don't even need it. So let's unwrap that phony. Or does it just slide out? I don't know. Okay, how does this work? I don't really particularly do unbox new technology all that often, so I'm more a used buyer. I do this very rarely. It's a special moment every time I do it. Oh wow, this is such a big ass phone. When we compare that to my iPhone, man. I mean, it's even like a small smartphone. Alright, let's boot it up here and see what happens. Does it work? No. The IME whatever number will not show that. Okay, do you really need to plug this in? Come on, Samsung. Come on. And yes, don't worry guys, I'm gonna put it on something not to scratch it, yes. After all, this is not my iPhone, so I'm gonna take care. Alright, so unfortunately my other micro USB cable is in my car, so I have to plug in this factory one. Okay, dead battery. That battery. Alright. That actually never happened to me, that I purchase a brand new device and it has a complete flat battery. Alright. This phone is still from the era where the notches didn't take over. So this is still the, the boring old design. Although I really like this design. And I'm actually sad that all screen phones are taken over, because I think they don't really look good to me. But I'm known for not liking change, so I think that will come once I grow used to it. But it still has the old design, and it basically looks like a Samsung Galaxy S1 to me, just a little bigger, and it feels pretty darn good. From like the days where Samsung was the cheap and crappy company, no, definitely not. This is all aluminium here, and it feels pretty, it feels that that is a quality product. Of course, this is not a 100 euro phone or 200 euro. This actually costs, I think, 400. Or am I wrong? 300? I don't know, but it's a mid-range. It's not a cheapo. It's not a flagship. It's just a mid-range phone. That what most people think spend money for their phones. So let's just leave it a little bit and see if it powers on. Oh no, the screen has a CRT monitor. Oh wait. No, it doesn't. Haha, bad joke. Anyway, I'm sorry for the flickering. I don't really know why it does it on this screen, but whatever. This is in Romanian. Let's change it to something we can read. From what part of the world did this ship? Okay. Alright. I will just set this up. This is, boring and repetitive. Alright. You know what? I just don't care for phones. And I can't really show you around it because it's full of personal files. As is. I set it up. Now it's doing some software updating. I can't even show you the home screen because it would show me the location. So yeah, the screen is good. The processor is good. The camera is good. Quality is good. Yeah, I don't know about battery. Wow, that animation was cool. Yeah, it runs the latest Android, so that's cool too. A run-of-the-mill smartphone. See you later.